Then he returned to the disciples and said to them, "Are you still sleeping and resting? Look, the hour has come, and the Son of Man is delivered into the hands of sinners. Rise, let us go. Here comes my betrayer." While he was still speaking, Judas, one of the 12, arrived. With him was a large crowd armed with swords and clubs.
What's good, y'all? We back to Smash Waffles. You feel me? About to go on this. I got me 3 sweet waffles, or the savory waffles on it. And I got like a 12-pound powdered sugar pack with this. So let me get the camera. Yeah, so what we got here is we got the blue and yellow sprinkles. That's the pit waffle. We have the panther waffle, whatever. I got the OG. This is the seasonal waffle. We got like mint, chocolate, stuff like that. I don't know. But hold on. They might kick me out. I don't know, because okay. But yeah, so yeah, man. Get served. But it's good. Get crazy with it. But alright. See what's in for. First of the day. I hope y'all hungry, because I'm hungry. And I got waffles. I got loyalty. I got loyalty rewards, whatever it's called. So I was able to save like $8. It was worth it to me. Yeah, it can get a little bit pricey, but it was worth it. So I got y'all content requests. It's just a matter of me doing them. Like I said, I do work a full-time job, so it's gonna be hard for me to find time for that. But I will be on them. I just want to thank y'all for still rocking with me and staying faithful. In regards to everything that happened, thank y'all. And let's do this for the kingdom, man. Music's not that bad here. I'm hoping I don't get copyrighted, but if I do, it is done. It is finished. I'm over. Right. So I'm a manager, right? And like, I've learned so much with this position, and like basically just being a leader. And hey, I'm how you doing? And it's a lot of stuff I ain't gonna do again. Basically, I guess I think it's about to kick it out. I'll meet you at the crib. Alright. I'll meet you at the crib. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright. My bad. Alright, my fault. I'm sorry. Okay. I didn't check the time. They close early because it's break. Like, you know what I'm saying? So, my bad. Well, that was on me. But this is the last of the waffle bites right here. This is the last one. Then we got them niggas. I'm so sorry if my nieces and stuff are watching this. Not gonna beat me in the car in a minute. So it's the pit waffle. Whatever they call it something past that air. I had to put that syrup on it right quick. You see the syrup dripping? Hold on. Don't talk to me right now. All right. The chocolate started to melt, but this is the mint. Chocolate mint, like kind of like New York, I guess. Let's see what it's in for. It's not too bad. It looks like a York. A little peppermint. My bad. I got my rain sounds playing in the back. If y'all don't know what that is, it's like I got a speaker, and it's my Bible verse speaker. So my Bible verses be playing throughout the day, all day, every day. It's like a playlist of 10-hour long scripture videos, and they just play. Because people be trying to they be trying to put witchcraft on me, and it don't work because the Most High with me. So like, he lives right behind me right now, and he's like, he's huge. Like, you can't, you know. I know if I seen him physically, I'm dying because I'm so disgusting and sinful. Just I'm nothing. I'm nothing. So I need y'all to know, like, yeah, I will be going back to the mukbangs and stuff like that, but I'm pushing this gospel through. I'm not gonna lie, I definitely wouldn't have came back if God didn't tell me to come back. He's just like, hey. And he used multiple people. He used multiple people to tell me to come back. You know, family. People I met through ministry. I'm like, all right. He gave me a prophecy about it. Somebody came and was like, yeah, man, like, I ain't trying to disclose everything that was said, but he was just like, you're artistic. It's something that you've been contemplating on doing, or should I say coming back to, that God wants you to go back to. And I was like, damn. I was like, I know exactly what you're talking about, bro. I was like, yeah, bro, you talking about the YouTube, though. Shout out my nigga Devontae, man. What we doing, cousin? What we doing, cuz? What we doing? Oh, sugar rush. Sugar high. So no. Jordan, if I had a dollar for every time you laughed, I'd be a wealthy man. I'd be a wealthy son of a gun. I don't know. Don't judge me. Shut up. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm about to go for a jog. I'm struggling with this last waffle game. Oh, excuse me. Oh. Y'all thought I was really going like y'all thought wrong. Okay. I was like, oh dang, what's up? You stopped doing the horror stuff? Like what's going on? No. Non-Nika. I just felt like I should show y'all that. They'll be like, Uncle, I'm gonna beat your butt. I'm gonna be like, shall I show y'all one more thing? I miss this nigga so much. Y'all don't understand. But look how fly that nigga is. He's like, yeah, nigga what? He's like, he got a little tiger. I don't know if you can see his little tiger right there. He got a little tiger. Tiger right there. Nigga crazy, man. It's crazy, dog. So insane, man. So nuts, dude. All right, come on, Jordan. Stop stalling. Get to the last waffle. My favorite waffle. It's OGs and OGs. I'm questioning you like Ginobili. I don't know what he said. But yeah, OG. So, another thing. I've been wanting to learn Portuguese. And people have been teaching me, like, that are from Brazil. People have been teaching me, certain phrases here and there. I'll look up phrases. But one of my coworkers, this is why I don't be like one of my coworkers in my business. But like one of my coworkers was just like, yeah, man, it's not gonna work. I don't know what you mean it's not gonna work. He was like, cause you're not exposed to it. And it's true. Okay. Like he got like he knows like 5 different languages and stuff like that. So I get it. So pretty much you're saying, because I'm gonna go to Brazil regardless. I'm going to Brazil regardless. But basically go down there without knowing nothing and learning. I will really do it. I'll be down there for like a month. See, bud. That's something I'll just something I'll just y'all know I ain't from the hill. I was up there a couple of days ago for Meaty's birthday. It's actually in the Chula vlog. Mukbang, excuse me. I'll tell you, nigga, I was like, as soon as I went up in that house, not even like 10 minutes later, niggas start fighting outside. I was like, dang. That's messed up, yo. I ain't been in the hill in a little minute. The fact that it's the same vibe, that's crazy. Yeah, nigga, I was annoyed at nigga. I was like, nigga, something about to happen, nigga. It sure did. I'm surprised it wasn't shooting. That's it. It's a wrap. What Isabel say? She just cut the camera off.